The gas fuel category is a very specific and special category. The automatic dispensers in the United States have their very own code because they're treated in a very specific way. To handle this with our unique method, Proactive uses a specific category type to handle this properly. So to use it, it's very simple. You'll just press spend. Proactive works like cash. We'll open the amount you wish to spend. If you spend less than this amount, then those funds will return to you in a day or two. This is important. Basically what happens with most fuel dispensers in the United States is they reserve more money than you actually spend. This is to help prevent any kind of loss. So in this case, what we've done is we allow you to open the approximate amount that you think you're going to spend. This is similar to if you were to go inside the station and ask them to put $25 on pump 5, although you can do it right from here in the app. So in this case, I only have $29 in my gas fuel category, so it's asking me if I'd like to do $25. So I click that, and now I can open $25, and I'll just click yes. However, I want to show some other behavior, so I'm going to wait on that. First, let's transfer some funds in. So I'm going to transfer in $75. I'm going to pull that from food, confirm. Now that I have more funds in the gas fuel category, when I click spend, there'll be a few more options, 25, 50, 75, and custom. Any of these amounts is designed for you to quickly select about how much you think you're going to spend and then go ahead and open that amount. If I open the $50 and click yes, you'll see that this now begins to open. And instead of opening the entire $104, it's going to do a partial opening. In every other category, when you click on spend, it opens the entire category. In this case, with the gas fuel category, it's going to do only a partial amount. So now that money is ready to spend, I can see here on my card that those funds, there's $104 in my category, but only $50 is now available, ready to spend on my card. Now I'm ready to go and swipe and buy my gas.